4680, we made a huge leap, which is basically a 5x reduction in the factory footprint and volume and footprint. And then going from what we did in Fremont and our pilot line to Texas, we improved further, and we're improving again when we go into Nevada. And what this actually represents is a series of actions taken by a very integrated, holistic design team across the product design, the manufacturing design, the process design, the equipment design, and the facility design. They all need to work together to make this happen. And you can see on the bottom, just as an example of simplicity up, investment down, and scaling up. Parts, we've reduced the number of parts in the cell, the number of processes, significant reduction in the number of processes, and collaborating with those 5 design groups, we've been able to end up with a factory that's 10 times smaller volumetrically, which means it's faster to get built. It's much lower capex per gigawatt hour output, and we can go and scale, to our objectives of, 240 total terawatt hours, 1 terawatt hour a year of stationary storage and 20 million vehicles a year, with the scalability that is required to achieve our goals. And we're not just looking at the cell factory itself, but also upstream materials where necessary. What you see here is the rendering of the 50 gigawatt hour a year Corpus Christi lithium refinery that we've already broken ground on here in Texas. The facility will start commissioning by the end of 2023, this year. This is a good example of something where we're basically talking about breaking ground and starting commissioning within 10 months, and with actual production within 12 months. That's the target, similar to what we did in Shanghai. Again, the result of collaboration and internal execution of construction in partnership with local communities. This site is 30 minutes from the Corpus Christi port. It's located directly on rail. The process route we're taking is a direct soda ash leach of the input material, which means there's no acid roasting. We don't have any of the sort of waste products associated with an acid roasting step. We're designed to consume lithium spodumene, which is a very commonly traded lithium rock, but it is flexible to other feeds from primary and secondary sources. And similarly, we're working on our cathode facility here in Texas. Maybe you've seen it as you're driving around, which is a 60 gigawatt hour a year cathode facility behind the main building here. 10-month build time there as well. The equipment's being installed for the first line as we speak, and we'll be commissioning starting next quarter. So we are doing this where we need to. Our plan is not to do it always. There are lots of competent companies out there. But we are also trying to sort of accelerate the pace of the industry by trying some new things that are a little bit more scalable, and de-risking certain innovations that improve productivity in terms of capex per gigawatt hour and things like that. And with that, I think that sums up our efforts on the factory side. Mike, you want to come up and we'll talk about energy?
All right.
All right. Take it away.
All right.
Here, you can.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mike Snyder. I lead our Megapack organization. I've been with Tesla for almost 9 years. I'm excited to talk to you today about the Megapack product and the business and some of the exciting things we have ahead of us. From the beginning with this business, we have always focused on building successful projects for our customers, and not just the batteries in the box. We've built a hardware and a software platform that is able to adapt to environments all over the world, and that is able to scale from small island projects to large gigawatt-hour scale batteries. We've invested our time and our talent to best understand every aspect, every step in the process, and every risk of a project to ultimately provide a solution that is thoughtful, intuitive, provides great value to our customers, and is as plug-and-play as possible. And yeah, just looking at these projects, it's incredible to see them all come together in one montage.
You're seeing the future.
Yeah.
Compressed.
It's 10 years of building these projects, and it's incredible to see the impact and to see what we have in front of us.
Absolutely.
We're on our 6th generation of our industrial product, which is the Megapack XL that we're building out of Lathrop, California. We've deployed over 16 gigawatt hours of industrial and residential products across 50 countries. And really, Megapack is a market leader